Hello friends, today we are going to learn first chapter of Math second, similarity. Now here first point is ratios of areas of two triangles. Here we have given two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now in triangle ABC, base BC is B1 and height is H1, and we consider for second triangle PQR, base B2 and height H2. Now we can write this as, now area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, that is ratio of areas of two triangles, is equal to, now we know formula, area of triangle ABC, that is 1 upon 2 base BC into height AD divided by area of triangle PQR, that is 1 upon 2 base QR into height PS is equal to 1 upon 2 get cancel. Now area of triangle, first triangle ABC, that is A1 divided by area of second triangle, that is A2, is equal to, now BC is B1 into AD is H1 divided by QR is B2 into PS is H2. Hence, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and their corresponding heights. Now there are three conditions. Now condition first, if condition first, if both triangles having equal base, then if both triangles having equal base, if base are equal, that is B1 is equal to B2, this get cancel, we will get A1 upon A2, therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to, here B1 B2 get cancel, H1 upon H2, that is the ratio, if both triangles having equal base, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their heights. Now second condition is, if both triangles having equal height, then, now if heights are equal, that is H1 is equal to H2, this get cancel, therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, therefore then we get A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, that is, if both triangles having equal height, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. Now third conditions, if both triangles having equal heights and equal bases, then if base and height of these two triangles are equal, that is b1 b2 get cancelled, h1 h2 get cancelled, that is right hand side is 1. We will get a1 upon a2 is equal to 1, therefore a1 is equal to a2. Then we get a1 is equal to a2. That is, if height and bases of the two triangles are equal, then their areas are also equal. Now we will see examples in practice set, that is practice set 1.1. First example is, base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. That is, we have given base and heights of these two triangles. Now first we consider here, let base, height and area of first triangle B, base B1, height H1 and area A1 respectively. And let base, height and area of second triangle B, B2, height H2 and A2 respectively. Then therefore by the ratio, we have to find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Therefore by the ratio of areas of two triangles, by the ratio of areas of two triangles Now area of first triangle, that is A1 upon area of second triangle, that is A2, is equal to B1 into H1 for first triangle divided by B2 into H2. Now we have given values. We have given base of triangle, first triangle is 9 and height is 5, is equal to base is 9 into height is 5 divide by. For second triangle, base is 10 into height is 6. Now here dividing by 5, 1, 2, dividing by 3, 2, 3. Therefore is equal to 3 into 1 is 3, divided by 2 into 2 is 4. That is A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 4. We can write this as therefore A1 is to A2 is equal to 3 is to 4. That is we have to find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Therefore the ratio of areas of these triangles be 3 is to 4. This is the answer. Now we will see second example. In the figure BC perpendicular to AB, we have given BC perpendicular to AB and AD perpendicular to AB. Value of BC is 4 and AD is 8. We have to find area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. Now from this figure we can see that in triangle ABC and triangle ADB both having equal base AB. That is, these two triangles having equal base AB. Therefore, by ratio of areas of this triangle, therefore by ratio of areas of these triangles, area of first triangle, that is area of triangle ABC, divided by area of second triangle, area of triangle ADB, is equal to. Now here base are equal, therefore the ratio of their areas is equal to in the ratio of their heights, that is BC upon AD is equal to. Value of BC is 4, divided by AD is 8, dividing by 4 1 upon 2. Therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Now we will see third example. Now in third example, in adjoining figure, segment PS is perpendicular to RQ, segment QT perpendicular to segment PR, if RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12. Then we have to find value of this QT. Now we know formula. We know that area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. 1 upon 2 base into height. Therefore, here area of triangle PQR is equal to, now here we consider for triangle PQR, base is RQ and height is PS, that is 1 upon 2 into base is RQ into height is PS is equal to 1 upon 2 into value of RQ is 6 into PS is 6, dividing by 2, 3. Therefore is equal to 3 into 6, 18. Therefore this is area of triangle PQR is equal to 18. This is number 1. Also, now we can write area of triangle PQR in the form of base 1 upon 2 base PR into height QT. That is, also area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into, now here we consider base PR into height is QT is equal to 1 upon 2. Now value of PR is 12 into QT. Therefore dividing by 2, 6. And using 1, from 1 area of triangle PQR is 18. 18 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 12 into QT dividing by 2, 6. Here from 1. Now we can write this as, or 18 is equal to 6 into QT. 18 is equal to 6 into QT. 18 is equal to 6 into QT. Therefore, QT is equal to 18 divided by 6. Now dividing by 6, we get this 3. Therefore, QT is equal to 3 units. This is the answer. Value of QT is 3. Now fourth example is, in the adjoining figure, AP perpendicular to BC and AD parallel to BC. Then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Now triangle ABC and triangle BCD both having having equal base BC. The vertices of triangle ABC and triangle BCD lie on the parallel lines AD and BC. Therefore, these two lines are parallel. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle BCD both having equal height. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle BCD both having equal height. Now we know that areas of two triangles of equal bases and equal heights are equal. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD. That is, area of both triangles are equal. We can write this as, therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by, transfer this to the left hand side, area of triangle BCD. Now right hand side is 1. We can write 1 as 1 upon 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. This is the answer. Thank you.